Hello, Jeremy here from Common Collected. Just wanted to make a super quick video to show you how to find out when your Matchbox car was actually manufactured, not necessarily the year for the packaging or the series it belongs to, but when it was manufactured. So they do put a date code on the package and on the vehicle itself. So if we were to grab this Bugatti Divo and turn it over, right up here on the top right corner of the card, there's a code. It says N45A. So the N is for the year, which is 2020, and the 45 is the week. So we know that this was packaged up in the 45th week of 2020, which was close to the end of the year, but it's actually a 2021 model. And it's on the vehicle itself as well. So right there in the center of the frame, it's stamped really clearly, N45. So the 45th week of N, which was 2020, with their code. We could do the same thing with this one. So right here on the packaging, the 39th week of 2020. And on the vehicle itself, also N39. They're not always necessarily exactly the same, but generally the car is manufactured about the same time as the packaging. And just for fun, here's another one. This one's a few years old. So here's a Jurassic Park Matchbox. And if you look at the back of the packaging, the date code is actually right there. It's L32. So instead of 2020, this was 2018, LMN, right? And on the base, we'll also see it, L28. It actually appears pretty clearly. So they made the model a full month before they put it in the packaging. That's all it takes to find out when your Matchbox was manufactured. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.